Are you looking to live in the city of the future? Then welcome to Laureate Park, Lake Nona. This multi-generational home has an additional garage apartment. Let's take a look. You've got a modern Americana vibe. Look at this porch, guys, a beautiful entryway. I'm loving it. This is a community within a community. Lots of wonderful things for you and the family to do. This is a beautiful, warm design. It's spacious, but still cozy at a little bit more than 2,500 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus the apartment garage. You're going to love just chilling and living in this award-winning home. That's right, guys. We've got Parade of Home winner here. You're living in the city of the future. These homes come with a gig of broadband in every home, and it is the Silicon Valley of Orlando. So we have a huge emphasis on wellness. You've got fitness centers, bike trails, walking trails, so many things for you and the family to be active and healthy. For those of you who love working from home, they've taken this downstairs bedroom and turned it into a beautiful study. The other thing, when you're done with your workday, that you can do is go downtown to Boxy Park. Lake Nona has its own tech-savvy Boxy Park with driverless transportation and all kinds of research facilities around, as well as community events. I don't want to leave this beautiful living room. It is just inspiring relaxation, but let's see what's upstairs. This city of the future is so close to everything you want in Orlando. So many secret places. You are very close to downtown Orlando, and you're very close to Disney, and you can get to the airport in 15 minutes. Come with me to the garage apartment, another house within the house. Well, actually outside. So you've got this great patio, and then you've got the walkway, which is covered. So, you know, in Florida, it rains, you know, you want to always have that kind of covered walkway, and it leads you to this lovely detached garage with the apartment upstairs. They are building them by the dozen out here, guys, but this won't last forever. There are incredible deals. This is the garage apartment, and right now they have a 4.99 interest rate, and they're paying 2% of your closing costs, which is a lot. Let's go take a look. I'm so excited about this upstairs space, guys. Look at this. This feels like a townhome, not an apartment garage. I love the colors they're doing. You know me, I love staging. These are great greens and beiges and salmon color. And look at this kitchen. This is a kitchen. Would you expect to have this size kitchen in your garage apartment? I don't think so. Hey guys, I'm kind of liking this master actually better than the one in the main house. Look at the size. So if you're feeling this vibe, guys, go ahead and comment Multigen below, and we will send you our guide on all of the multi-generational properties here in the Orlando and Greater Orlando area. I'm Jennifer DeVivo. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and grab that guide.